In this molecule, first we have to select principal chain. Now ring is having total 5 carbon and open chain is having total 8 carbon. So if open chain and ring both are present, then the part having more number of carbon is given higher priority. So 8 carbon, now this is principal chain, and at third position cyclopentyl group is present, hence name of molecule is 3-cyclopentyl. Total 8 carbon atoms are present, so octane, hence correct answer is D, 6-cyclopentyl octane. In which of the following compound IUPAC numbering is correct? So if we take option 1, in this question numbering is not correct, because according to lowest set of Locant rule, first carbon is given to that carbon from which two methyl groups are attached. So option A is not correct. In option B, lowest set of Locant rule is also not followed. According to lowest set of Locant rule, numbering should be done according to this. So option B is also not correct. Option C, we have methyl group, ethyl group and propyl group. If we start from ethyl, methyl or propyl, then set of locant is always 1, 3, 5. Then after lowest set of locant rule, we have to find alphabetical order. So according to alphabetical order, ethyl is given higher priority over methyl and propyl. So first carbon should be given to that carbon from which ethyl is attached. Now there is choice, third carbon should be given to that carbon from which methyl is attached or propyl is attached, but methyl is having higher priority. So numbering should be done from that end where methyl group is nearer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, option C is correct. In option D, set of locants are 1, 2, 4, 5. Now if we get first carbon to that carbon from which ethyl group is attached, still set of locant is 1, 2, 4 and 5. Now we have to decide from alphabetical order, and ethyl should be given higher priority over methyl. So this is not correct. It should be 1 should be given to that carbon from which ethyl is obtained attached. So correct answer is C. In this question, we have to find correct structure of 6-amino 4-hydroxy cyclohex 2-ene 1-sulfonic acid. So first, this molecule cyclohex means 6. We have to draw 6-membered ring, 1-sulfonic acid. So at first position SO3H group should be attached. 2-ene means at second position double bond must be attached. 6, so this is first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth and 6th carbon. At 6 carbon amino group is attached, so 6th position amino group is attached. At 4th position hydroxy group is attached, 4-hydroxy, so 4th position hydroxy group is attached. So this is correct structure. Now this molecular formula is similar to structure B, hence B is correct answer. The IUPAC name of the given compound. So first we have to identify principal function group COOH, CN, CHO. They all are present, but according to priority table, COOH is having maximum priority. So COOH is principal function group. Now if carbon containing function group is directly attached with benzene ring, then it is taken as part of ring, not as independent part, and first number carbon should be given to that carbon from which principal function group is attached. So this is given first carbon. Now we have to move, and third carbon is given to that carbon from which CN is attached. This is done according to lowest set of locant rule. Now at third position cyano is attached, at fourth position formyl is attached, and name of substituent are written first. So 3 cyano, 4 formyl. Now this molecule is benzoic acid, so 3 cyano, 4 formyl benzoic acid, and hence correct answer is B. The IUPAC name of the compound. So in this compound, principal part is that part from which carbonyl or principal function group is attached. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 membered ring is principal chain. Now phenyl group is attached from nitrogen. So name of compound is N-phenyl cyclohexane, since 6 carbon atoms are attached in ring, since cyclohexane. Carbonyl group is directly attached with ring, hence it is taken as part of ring. But carbon is not included in main chain, so instead of using amide, we use carboxamide. N-phenyl cyclohexane carboxamide, and hence correct answer is C, N-phenyl cyclohexane carboxamide. The IUPAC name of the following compound. So first we have to find principal function group. In this molecule, CHO is principal function group. Since principal function group is directly attached with ring, then it is taken as part of ring, and first carbon is given to that carbon from which principal function group is directly attached. Now 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, third carbon is given to that carbon from which bromine is attached, because bromo is having higher priority than hydroxy, because both bromo and hydroxy are substituent here, and priority of substituent is decided from their first alphabet. Hence bromo is having higher priority than hydroxy. So name of the molecule is 3 bromo, 5 hydroxy and benzaldehyde, and correct answer is C. The correct IUPAC name of the given compound. So this is cyclic compound. First we have to find principal functional group. Now COOH is directly attached with ring, then it is part of ring. COOH is having maximum priority among COOH and NS2. So principal function group is COOH. So we have to start numbering from COOH. Now second priority is given to multiple bond. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon. Now at fourth position, amino methyl substituent is present. At fifth position, hydroxy is present. Now amino methyl is written before hydroxy according to alphabetical order. So name of compound is 4 amino methyl. At fifth position, hydroxy group is present. So 5 hydroxy cyclohex. Since 6 carbon atoms are present in ring, double bond is present at second carbon. So 2 ene at first position. COOH is attached. Now carbon of COOH is not included in main chain. Hence now instead of using oic acid, we use carboxylic acid, and hence correct answer is C, 4 amino methyl, 5 hydroxy cyclohex, 2 ene, 1 carboxylic acid. IUPAC name of the compound. So first we have to identify principal function group. Now molecule is ester. During name of ester, first name of that group is written which is attached with oxygen. So with oxygen, phenyl group is attached. So first we have to write phenyl. Now this is main chain, and 1, 2, 3, 4 chlorine is present at fourth position. So phenyl 4 chloro. Now if ester of benzene ring, then its name is benzoate. So phenyl 4-chlorobenzoate is correct name, and hence correct answer is B. IUPAC name of the compound. So first we have to identify principal function group present in the molecule. So molecule is having both ester and acid chloride, but according to priority table, ester is having higher priority over acid chloride, hence ester is principal function group. Now during name of ester, group attached with oxygen is always written first. So first we have to write name of the group which is attached with oxygen. So ethyl is written first. So name of molecule ethyl. Now at second position COCl is present. Name of COCl as a prefix is chlorocarbonyl. So ethyl 2-chlorocarbonyl. Now benzene ring is present, so benzoate, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find correct IUPAC name of the given compound. So if we draw structure of the molecule, now functional group amide is present. Now phenyl group is attached from nitrogen. So principal chain is having only one carbon. Now this benzene ring is here substituent, and for any substituent, first carbon is given to that carbon from which it is attached. So name of this radical is 4-chlorophenyl. Now 4-chlorophenyl is attached from nitrogen, so N4-chlorophenyl. Now amide is having one carbon, hence methanamide, and correct answer is C, N4-chlorophenyl methanamide. In this question we have to find name of given compound. Now molecule is having substituent Cl, Br, ethyl and methyl and multiple bond. Now priority is given to multiple bond, so first number is given to multiple bond containing carbon. Now we have to follow lowest set of locant rule. So main chain is of 6 carbon. Now locants are present at 1, 2, 3 and 5 position. Now name of substituent is written according to alphabetical order. So first we have to write bromo, then chloro, then ethyl, and in this then molecule methyl. First we have to select 5 principal bromo. Now ring is having total 5 carbon, and chloro. Open chain is having total 8 carbon. So ethyl, if open chain and ring methyl both are present, then since 6 carbon is part having 6 carbon atoms are present in ring, is given higher priority. So hexene 8 carbon, or this is principal chain 1-ene, and at third correct position cyclopentyl group is present. Hence in this name question of molecule we have to find 3 IUPAC name of the given compound. Cyclopentyl. So total 8 carbon atoms are present. Numbering, so octane. Now we have to follow lowest set of locant rule. 6 cyclopentyl. So if numbering is done from multiple bond, in which of the following compound 4, 5 and 6 numbering is correct. Now locants are, if we take option 1 in this question, numbering is not correct, and 6, because according to lowest set of and locant if rule, another choice first numbering is done from this to that carbon, now from which 2 methyl locant, 2 methyl groups are attached. So multiple bond is present at first position. In option B, one side chain is present at second position, according to and one side chain is present at third position. According to set of option, we are getting 1, 1, 6 not correct, and 1, 2, 3. Option C. So 1, 1, 6. We have methyl group, then 1, 2, 3 group. Hence this is propyl group. Correct nomenclature. If we start from ethyl, this is correct numbering. Then and name of the molecule is 1, 6. Then dimethyl after lowest set of locant rule, we have and hence correct answer is D. alphabetical order.
In this question,
so according to
part
alphabetical order,
and
ethyl
ring
is given higher priority
both are present.
over methyl and propyl.
Now ring
so
is
first
having
carbon
multiple
should
bond,
be given
open
to
part
that
is also
carbon
having
from
multiple
which
bond,
ethyl is
but
attached.
principal part
Now
is
there is
selected
choice.
according
Third
to
carbon
priority sequence
should be given to that
according to
carbon
which
from which methyl is
main chain
attached
is
or
having
propyl is
maximum
attached.
number of multiple
But
bond.
methyl is
So
having
open
higher
part is
priority.
having
So,
two multiple bond.
So
while
numbering
ring is
should
having
be done,
only one multiple
done from
bond.
that end
Multiple
where
bond.
methyl
So,
group is nearer.
Open part is
So
principal
1,
part.
2, 3, 4,
And
5 and 6 option
According to lowest set of Lucan
C
rule,
is correct.
first carbon is given
In
to
option
that
D,
carbon which is having multiple
set of
bonds. So
Lucans
1, 2, 3
or 1, 2,
4,
4,
5
5.
carbon atoms are
Now
present
if
in
we get
principal chain.
First
Now
carbon
one side chain
to
is
that
present
carbon
at
from
fourth carbon.
which
Now
ethyl
this
group is attached,
cyclohexenyl ring
still
its
set
substituent,
of locant
and for any
is 1,
subsequent
2,
first
4 and
carbon
5.
is given to that
Now
carbon
we have to decide
which is
from
having
alphabetical
free
order,
valency. So now
and
this is
ethyl
complex
should be
side
given
chain
higher priority
which is present
over
at
methyl.
first
So
position.
this is
So
not
this
correct.
name
It
of the
should be
side chain is
one should be given
cyclohexenyl.
to that carbon from which ethyl is
multiple
obtained,
bond is
attached.
present at
So
second
correct
position.
answer is C.
So cyclohex 2-enyl.
In this question, we have to find
Now,
correct structure of
Main
6
chain is
amino,
having 5 carbon,
cyclohex 2
hence pen
1 sulfonic acid.
multiple bond.
So first,
is present at third position.
This molecule
pen 3
cyclohex means
and
six.
one
We have to
ine.
draw 6
and
member
if
ring.
double and triple bond both
One
are
sulfonic
present,
acid. So
then
at first
from
position
ene,
SO3H
E
group
is
should be
removed.
attached.
So 3 ene,
2 ene
1
means
ine,
at
and
second
hence
position
correct answer
double bond
is
must be
D.
attached. 6.
In this molecule,
so this
both
is first
open
carbon,
part
second, third, fourth,
and
fifth,
ring are
and
present.
6 carbon.
But
At
first
6
we
carbon
have to select
amino group is
principal
attached.
part.
So
And
sixth
according to
position
priority
amino
order,
group is attached.
principal part is selected,
At fourth
which is having
position,
principal functional group.
hydroxy group is attached.
Now principal function group is
4
OH,
hydroxy,
which
so
is
fourth
present
position, hydroxy
in ring.
group is attached.
So ring is
this is
principal
correct
chain,
structure.
and now this
Now,
is
This
open chain
molecular
is substituent.
formula
So first
is
carbon
similar to
is given to that carbon
structure B.
from which
Hence, B is
principal
correct
function group
answer.
is attached. So this is first carbon.
The IUPAC name
Now,
of the given compound.
1, 2,
So first
3,
we have to
four,
identify principal
5.
function group.
5 carbon
COOH,
atoms are present in
CN,
main chain.
CHO.
At
They all
carbon
are
number
present,
4,
but
side
according
chain
to
is
priority
present,
table,
and
COOH
during
is
writing
having
name of
maximum
side chain,
priority.
first carbon is
So
given to
COOH
that
is
carbon
principal
from
function
which it is
Now if
directly
carbon
attached to
containing
main
function
chain.
group is directly
So side chain
attached
is having
with
7
benzene
carbon.
ring, then it
And
is
the
taken
name
as
of
part
side
of
chain-
ring, not as
Name of the side
independent
chain
part.
is,
And first number carbon
total
should be
7
given
carbon,
to
so
that
hept-
carbon from which
hepta
principal function
2,
group is
4,
attached.
6
This is given first
triennyl.
carbon.
So name of side
Now
chain is
we have
hepta
to move
2,
and
4, 6
third
triennyl.
carbon is
At
given
third
to that
position,
carbon
bromo is
from
present.
which CN is
So,
attached. This
bromo
is done according
is
to
written first
lowest set
because
of locant
priority of
Now
substituent
at third position,
is taken
cyano is attached.
from
At
their
fourth position,
alphabetical
formyl
order.
is attached.
So bromo is given
And
higher
name of
priority.
substituent are written
So
first.
name of the molecule
So,
3
3 cyano
bromo. At
Four,
fourth position
formyl.
hepta
Now
2,
this
4
molecule
6
is benzoic
tri-
acid. So 3 cyano,
enyl
4
hepta 2, 4,
formyl,
6 triennyl.
benzoic
Now this is complex
acid,
substituent,
and hence correct
and
answer
name
is
of complex
B.
substituent must be
The
written
IUPAC name of the compound. So in
in
this compound, principal part
small
is that
bracket
part from
triennyl.
which carbonyl
Now
or principal
total
function group is
5 carbon
attached.
atoms are present in
So
main
1,
chain.
2,
Cyclo
3, 4,
penta,
5, 6
double
number
bond
ring
is
is
present
principal
at
chain.
second position and
Now,
fourth position. So
Phenyl
penta
group is attached
2,
from
4,
nitrogen.
di.
So name of compound is N-phenyl
Now
cyclo.
at first position
hexane.
alcohol is present.
Since
So
6
one
carbon atoms are
all
attached in rings,
is correct name.
cyclohexane.
Hence correct answer is
Carbonyl
D.
group is directly attached with ring.
In this question,
Hence it is
we have
taken
to
as
find
part
correct
of ring.
IUPAC name of given compound.
But carbon is
First,
not
we have to
included in main
identify
chain.
principal
So
function group.
instead of using
Now
amide,
COOH
we use
And ester,
carboxamide.
both function groups are
N-phenyl
present.
cyclohexane.
But according to priority order,
carboxamide.
COOH
And hence
is given higher
Correct
priority
answer is
over
C.
ester.
N-phenyl
So main
cyclohexane
chain
carboxamide.
is that benzene ring. The
From
IUPAC
which
name of
COOH
the
is
following
attached.
compound.
Now this
So
part
first
is
we have to
substituent.
find now if
Principal
ester
function
is
group.
substituent
In this molecule,
and
CHO is
attached
principal function group.
through
Since
carbonyl
principal
group
function group is directly
through
attached
CO
with
group,
ring,
then
then it is taken as part
name
of
of
ring
ester is
and first carbon is
phenoxycarbonyl.
given to
So,
that carbon
first,
from which
second,
principal
third,
function group
fourth,
is directly
fifth,
attached.
and sixth.
Now,
At second position,
2, 3, 4,
phenoxycarbonyl group
5
is present.
and 6.
So name of molecule
Third
is
carbon is given to
2-phenoxycarbonyl,
that carbon from which bromine is
and
attached,
rest name of the
because
rest
bromo
molecule
is having higher priority
acid,
than
and hence
hydroxy.
correct answer
Because
is
both
A.
bromo and hydroxy are subsequent here,
In this question,
and
we have to
priority of
find which
subsequent
of the following
is
is
decided
correct
from their first
IUPAC name.
alphabet. Hence,
So if we
bromo
take
is having
example
higher
1,
priority than
now
hydroxy.
numbering should be
So
done
name of the molecule
from
is
that
3
carbon
bromo,
from which
5
principal function group is
hydroxy,
attached. So
and
1, 2, 3, 4,
benzaldehyde.
5
And
and
correct
6.
answer is
So
C.
name of molecule is 3,4
The correct
dimethyl
IUPAC name of the
phenol.
given compound. So this is
option A
cyclic
is
compound.
correct.
First we have
While
to
option
find
B
principal
is incorrect
functional group.
because
Now COOH
this molecule
is directly attached with ring,
toluene
then
cannot
it
be
is part
written
of ring.
because
COOH
is
is
principal
having
function group,
maximum
so this is
priority
wrong
among
nomenclature.
COOH
Now in
and
third case,
NH2. So principal
we
function
have
group
ethyl
it's
and
COOH. So we have to
ethoxy.
start numbering
So
from
ethyl
COOH. Now second priority
and
is
ethoxy
given
are
to multiple
subsequent.
bond.
One
So
ethyl,
2, 3,
2 anisole
4
is incorrect
5
name, while its
and
correct
6
name
carbon.
is from ethyl
Now
and ethoxy.
at fourth position
Ethoxy is given high
amino
priority.
methyl
So name
subsequent
of
is
molecule
present.
should
At
be
fifth position hydroxy
1
is present.
ethoxy,
Now
2
amino
ethyl
methyl
benzene.
is written before
Or
hydroxy
it can be also written
according to
1
alphabetical
ethyl,
order.
2
So
ethyl
name of compound is
anisole. So
4
this is not correct.
amino
Now in option
methyl,
D,
4
principal
amino
chain
methyl.
is the
At fifth
chain
position
which is
hydroxy
having
group is
functional
present.
group,
So
no
5
matter functional group is
hydroxy,
prefix class or suffix class.
cyclo,
So it should be main chain,
hex.
and the name of
Since
compound
6
should
carbon
be
is
1, 2,
6
3,
carbon atoms are present
4
in ring.
and 5. Name should be 2 bromo,
Double bond is present
2,
at
3
second
dibromo,
carbon,
1
2
phenyl,
ene,
and
at
1,
first
2, 3, 4,
position.
5 pentane.
COOH
So
is
this is
attached.
incorrect name,
Now
and hence
carbon of
correct answer
COOH
is
is not
E.
included in main chain. Hence now instead of using oic acid, we use carboxylic acid, and hence correct answer is C, 4 amino methyl, 5 hydroxy, cyclohex, 2 ene, 1 carboxylic acid. IUPAC name of the compound. So first we have to identify principal function group. Now molecule is ester. During name of ester, first name of that group is written which is attached with oxygen. So with oxygen phenyl group is attached. So first we have to write phenyl. Now this is main chain, and 1, 2, 3, 4 chlorine is present at fourth position. So phenyl 4 chloro. Now if ester of benzene ring, then its name is benzoate. So phenyl 4 chloro benzoate is correct name, and hence correct answer is B. IUPAC name of the compound. So first we have to identify principal function group present in the molecule. So molecule is having both ester and acid chloride, but according to priority table, ester is having higher priority over acid chloride. Hence ester is principal function group. Now during name of ester, group attached with oxygen is always written first. So first we have to write name of the group which is attached with oxygen. So ethyl is written first. So name of molecule ethyl. Now at second position COCl is present. Name of COCl as a prefix is chlorocarbonyl. So ethyl 2 chlorocarbonyl. Now benzene ring is present, so benzoate, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find correct IUPAC name of the given compound. So if we draw a structure of the molecule, now functional group amide is present. Now phenyl group is attached from nitrogen. So principal chain is having only one carbon. Now this benzene ring is here substituent, and for any substituent, first carbon is given to that carbon from which it is attached. So name of this radical is 4-chlorophenyl. Now 4-chlorophenyl is attached from nitrogen, so N4-chlorophenyl. Now amide is having one carbon, hence methenamide, and correct answer is C, N4-chlorophenyl methenamide. In this question we have to find name of given compound. Now molecule is having substituent Cl, Br, ethyl and methyl and multiple bond. Now priority is given to multiple bond, so first number is given to multiple bond containing carbon. Now we have to follow lowest set of locant rule. So main chain is a 6 carbon. Now locants are present at 1, 2, 3 and 5 position. Now name of substituent is written according to alphabetical order. So first we have to write bromo, then chloro, then ethyl and then methyl. So 5 bromo, 3 chloro, 1 ethyl, 2 methyl. Since 6 carbon is present in 6 carbon atoms are present in ring, so cyclohexene or cyclohex 1-ene. So correct answer is C. In this question we have to find IUPAC name of the given compound. So first we have to numbering. Now we have to follow lowest set of locant rule. So if numbering is done from multiple bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now locants are 1, 1 and 6. And if another choice numbering is done from this end, now set of locant, multiple bond is present at first position, one side chain is present at second position and one side chain is present at third position. So set of locant we are getting 116 and 123. So 116 is lower set than 123, hence this is correct nomenclature, this is correct numbering, and name of the molecule is 1,6-dimethyl cyclohex 1-ene, and hence correct answer is D. In this question open part and ring both are present. Now ring is having multiple bond, open part is also having multiple bond, but principal part is selected according to priority sequence, according to which main chain is having maximum number of multiple bond. So open part is having 2 multiple bond, while ring is having only 1 multiple bond. So open part is principal part, and according to lowest set of locant rule, first carbon is given to that carbon which is having multiple bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are present in principal chain. Now one side chain is present at 4th carbon. Now this cyclohexenyl ring is substituent, and for any substituent first carbon is given to that carbon which is having free valency. So now this is complex side chain which is present at first position. So this name of the side chain is cyclohexene. Multiple bond is present at second position, so cyclohex 2-enyl. Now main chain is having 5 carbon, hence pent. Multiple bond is present at third position, pent 3-ene and 1-ine, and if double and triple bond both are present, then from ene E is removed, so 3-ene, 1-ine, and hence correct answer is D. In this molecule, both open part and ring are present. But first we have to select principal part. And according to priority order, principal part is selected which is having principal functional group. Now principal functional group is OH which is present in ring. So ring is principal chain and now this is open chain is substituent. So first carbon is given to that carbon from which principal functional group is attached. So this is first carbon. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms are present in main chain. At carbon number 4, side chain is present and during writing name of side chain, first carbon is given to that carbon from which it is directly attached to main chain. So side chain is having 7 carbon and the name of side chain, name of the side chain is total 7 carbon. So hepta 2, 4, 6 triennyl. So name of side chain is hepta 2, 4, 6 triennyl. At third position bromo is present. So bromo is written first because priority of substituent is taken from their alphabetical order. So bromo is given higher priority. So name of the molecule 3-bromo. At fourth position hepta 2, 4, 6 triennyl, hepta 2, 4, 6 triennyl. Now this is complex substituent and name of complex substituent must be written in small bracket triennyl. Now total 5 carbon atoms are present in main chain, cyclo, penta. Double bond is present at second position and fourth position. So penta 2, 4 diene. Now at first position alcohol is present. So 1-ol is correct name. Hence correct answer is D. In this question, we have to find correct IUPAC name of given compound. First, we have to identify principal function group. Now COOH and ester both function groups are present, but according to priority order, COOH is given higher priority over ester. So main chain is that benzene ring from which COOH is attached. Now this part is substituent. Now if ester is substituent and attached through carbonyl group, through CO group, then name of ester is phenoxycarbonyl. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. At second position phenoxycarbonyl group is present. So name of molecule is 2-phenoxycarbonyl and rest name of the rest molecule benzoic acid and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find which of the following is correct IUPAC name. So if we take example 1, now numbering should be done from that carbon from which principal function group is attached. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So name of molecule is 3,4-dimethyl phenol. So option A is correct. While option B is incorrect because this molecule 4-hydroxy-2-methyl-toluene cannot be written because OH is principal function group. So this is wrong nomenclature. Now in third case we have ethyl and ethoxy. So ethyl and ethoxy are substituent. 1-ethyl 2-anisole is incorrect name, while its correct name is from ethyl and ethoxy. Ethoxy is given higher priority. So name of molecule should be 1-ethoxy 2-ethyl benzene, or it can be also written 2-ethyl anisole. So
This is not correct. Now in option D, principal chain is the chain which is having functional group, no matter functional group is prefix class or suffix class. So it should be main chain, and the name of compound should be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Name should be 2-bromo, 2,3-dibromo, 1-phenyl and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane. So this is incorrect name, and hence correct answer is A.